So IBC2025, I'm here on the Cinegy booth with Jan. How are you doing?
I'm marvelous, thank you.
Right, we're actually, it's worth saying, we're day one. We're here. The show's just opened. We're going to have a look at what people can come to the stand and see at the Cinegy booth.
Yeah, the more the merrier, yeah. We have some nice things this year. We have the hall's biggest, and I'm sure actually the show's biggest 8K screen at the front.
Fabulous.
To lure the people in and to say 8K isn't dead. It's maybe not be ending up in broadcast, but it's being used everywhere else in AV. It's being used for large venues. And if you've been to Las Vegas, you've seen this sphere, you see that 8K is basically nothing.
There you go. And actually, there's a valid point. 8K is not just about having 8K pictures. It's not just about 8K resolution, if you like. It's, well, we're standing in front of a multiviewer.
Yeah, exactly.
8K screens mean
it's about display technology. It's providing the highest density of information at a good quality to consume, rather than some pixelated tiny little images. You could say, oh, that could be Lego or it could be a human. Who knows?
Yeah, there you go. So, you know, what first product we're in front of here is this multiviewer.
Yes.
That's prime for that sort of
It is. You want to have the highest density, the highest amount of signals you can display. So we're in front of two 8K screens. So we have pristine quality on each of the pips. And you can really tell whether the picture is in focus rather than just having a guessing game.
Yeah. So actually, it's important to say, software-defined television.
Yes.
This has been one of your taglines.
Yes, it has been slowly
years,
but surely replacing SDI must die.
Yeah.
Because SDI isn't dying, at least not quickly.
No.
But the trend to IP is there. Nobody can deny that these days.
And as we go around the booth, let's keep walking. As we go around and we come into the centre, you can see, and I think you made the comment, with all of your, strictly speaking, all of your products, all of your software products,
yes,
they could run on one box. I
could run you even an 8K channel on my laptop.
There you go.
Yes, or you could run like
2 HDs.
Well, no, 4 UHDs, 16 HDs
on
a laptop. But I mean, nobody would do this.
Yeah.
But so in the end, the software defines what you do. I can switch the same hardware to do anything. Your workflow can be flexibly adopted. I can do capture today, playout at the same time. I can do a multiviewer. I can do basically all what used to be disparate, separate boxes and of hardware strung together by SDI cable in the past. Now there's just software modules that you activate, and you just have to keep in mind how much compute performance you have, but that's scalable.
Absolutely.
So you can do virtually what you want, and your software that you start and run defines what your journey is.
Yeah. And this central area on the booth, so that people know when they do come, they can sit down and have proper demos and proper meetings. And let's go round and have a look at the,
of course, the pièce de résistance is right around the corner.
Right around the corner.
Which is hopefully going to be the show's magnet. That's why we've done it.
Absolutely. Oh, wow, it is big.
Yeah, it is 29 square meters of screen.
Right.
So, and this is proper 8K.
I fear if we get in front of it, we might not be able to catch it on the camera. But you see the scale of it.
Yeah. Twice as high as us.
And do you know what? There's very little heat actually coming off it.
This is new technology, micro LEDs from China.
I'd have expected it to be a lot warmer.
Normally you'd be sitting here in your undies to bear it, but not these days. This is all now much more power efficient than it used to be.
Yeah, very impressive.
I was afraid that we would need like more than 30 kilowatts, but this is now under 14 kilowatts.
Great. So to come and see Cinegy, see Jan, see all of the experts here, usual spot. Bottom of the escalators. Buy the food.
Buy the food. You can't miss us.
Can't miss you. So come along. We're here for another 3 or 4 days. 4 days. At IBC 2025, and for everything else that we're doing here at IBC this year, it's kitplus.com.